Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios and this is Makeup Battle Season 2. I'm joined today by Cassie and Kendra for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi ladies. Hi. All right, before we begin, I want to congratulate Janelle, who was the winner of last week's contest. Yay! Janelle got 57% of the votes at makeupbattle.com. Yes. I also want to send a special shout out to Jasmine, who did an amazing job as well. Both MUAs will be back for round 2, and they will definitely be hard to beat. All right, now let's meet our special guest, starting with Kendra Diggs. Hi, Kendra.
Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kendra Diggs. I have been a makeup artist for 10 plus years, so you can kind of call me a makeup dinosaur. I guess you could say that. Currently, I am a full-time freelance makeup artist. My business is called Clean Pyre Beauty, and I also have a suite in the mall. So I'm super, super excited about that. And also, I am about to be pursuing my esthetician's license. So, woohoo! I'm about to be extending my services very, very soon. So, yay, yay, yay for me!
Nice. Congratulations!
Yes, it
is skincare guru now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Nice to meet you, Kendra. Now let's meet Cassie as well. Cassie, welcome to the show.
Hi. It's good to be here and really exciting to be here. But a little bit about myself. So I'm 24. I'm originally from Florida, as you can tell. I always wear it. I'm actually trying to go home, but we'll see how it works out. Doing makeup, I think, since like my freshman year of high school, but I kind of started with the orange foundation and blue eyeshadow kind of thing, and really but I a lot of YouTube. Kind of self-taught. I did go to school for aesthetics and makeup artistry. Never went to go get my aesthetics license because I learned skin is and I'll stick to just covering the skin instead of but I like the more artsy style is kind of what I learned throughout my orange phase into my now phase. I like the drawing, I like the gems, I like the more exotic kind of look. So that's really what I'm focused on. I'm not taking clients, but I'm kind of just focused on my craft, my skills, and kind of like social media.
Gotcha. I get it. I understand. I think that's pretty cool. Welcome to the show as well. Okay. The challenge for today's battle is Rockstar. We'll start the show with a look at what Cassie created at the studio. When the video is finished, Kendra will have a chance to critique it.
Hey guys, I'm Cassie. I just got here and I am super excited but super nervous at the same time. So sorry if it looks like I filmed this during an earthquake because I cannot stop shaking. But I am ready to get inside and get set up, and I will check back in on you guys in just a second. So I'm in the studio, I'm set up, and just to explain my look a little bit, it's kind of like that 70s rock graphic liner but modernized. At least that's how I picture it in my head, and hopefully I can execute it the same way I envision it, but we're just gonna trust the process, and I will check in periodically throughout, so be right back. Alright, so far I have prepped my skin, and right now I'm just going in with my brow wax to give my brows that sleek and feathered kind of look. And then after that, I will be going in with my graphic liner, the most nerve-wracking and should be done. I'll be back for the final reveal. Alright, so I'm almost done. I added my color, my lip, and my lashes. And now I think all I need to do is still clean up some of these lines. I haven't gotten that far yet. I'm going to add some rhinestones to the inner corner and a silver star, maybe some bow jewelry, and I think after that I'll be done, so I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. And I love how it turned out. I feel like I need to go put a concert on right now, but since I can't sing, I'm not gonna do that. But I really hope you guys love it just as much as I do, and thanks for watching.
All right. Great job, Cassie. How did you come up with your idea for this week's challenge?
It was kind of just, what's the word? Like, it wasn't planned. I can't think of that word right now.
Like on the fly, or?
It's improvised. So it was like, because there was so much inspiration, it was hard to just pick something. And like you saw, I came into the studio and I had like drawings on my legs.
Yeah, she had drawings on her legs in different places. She'd been practicing. Yeah.
My arms. I had so many different looks and inspirations. I mean, from Kiss and David Bowie and Blonde, like it all like kind of was like, let me just take one. Let me do like a punk rock. Let me take Kiss and let's modernize it and make it feminine. So, but that was kind of the inspiration for it, was that graphic liner, that dark kind of punk rocker look.
Yes, gotcha. All right, Kendra, are you ready to critique it?
I sure am. Well, all right. Well, Cassie, first of all, I can tell from the look that you are definitely an artist. I can definitely tell the art inspiration behind it. And one thing that I love about this look, I love the blue, I love the graphic liner, I love the rhinestones. It was very 80s, but modernized. Like, when I saw it, the people that you mentioned, like Kiss and David Bowie, that's the first thing that I thought of when I saw it. So excellent job. It was very clean. It was very precise, and it was beautifully executed. So great job. Great job.
No, Kendra's right. She took the words right out of my mouth. I really don't have, much to say, but that just really good, just really precise, exactly like she said. And the blue is great. I love the blue. It really popped and it came out, on your skin tone. When you pulled your hair down, you look just like a rock star.
Yeah. It was dope.
It was. Mm-hmm. All right. Now it's time for Kendra's journal. This is a behind the scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, Cassie will have a chance to critique it.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Kendra. I'm super excited to be a part of the makeup battle. I'm about to go in and build it and rock it. I'm super excited to create this look. See you guys soon.
Okay guys, I'm here. So the look that I will be doing today is basically a Rockstar inspired look, and I am taking my Rockstar inspired look from an Afro futuristic point of view. So my inspirations are Grace Jones and Janelle Monáe, Daft Punk, Pharrell, all of those people who are like real funky and Afrocentric. So that's what my look will be coming from for today. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I am about to start. I'm gonna start with this primer here. It is really amazing. This is the NYX Plump
right back. Primer is really good. Ooh, yes. I'm loving it. Can you get into this glitter? Yes, get into it, y'all. Ow. All right, y'all, I'm about to do the finishing touches. I'm about to do my lip. Give me 1 second. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. I enjoy creating it. As I said, I did like an Afro futuristic type of punk rock star ordeal. So I hope you guys love what I created, and let's rock and roll. Peace.
Great job, Kendra. What did you think when you found out that the challenge was a rock star look?
The first people that I drew inspiration from was Grace Jones and Janelle Monáe. I said, oh my God, I gotta pull inspiration from them. And also, like, when I think of Rockstar, I always think of like this Afro futuristic type of feel. So that's what I was trying to go for. So I was like, I hope I do Grace Jones and Janelle Monáe proud. You know, I was like, let me pull off a little something. So yeah.
I think you did a good job with that.
I tried, you know.
All right, Cassie, are you ready to critique it?
I am.
Okay.
So initially, I was speechless. I didn't know what to say, what to write. I was so shell shocked by how beautiful it was. Janae and Grace would be so proud, ecstatic, because I know I would. The symmetry was beautiful. The gold was beautiful. The lip was flawless. Everything. I loved it so much, and the accessories that you put with it. And I was like, oh my gosh. Tough competition, because you brought it, gave it, and oh girl.
You did a really great job.
Oh, thank you.
You did. The gold looked really good against your skin tone. Like, just the headpiece. I love that you added that. That was one of my favorite parts. The glitter on your eyes. You put it together. It was precise, put together well. I think you did a great job.
Literally.
You did. Everyone will be happy and pleased with both of your looks. You guys did a really great job. I'm so happy. I'm excited. All right, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 2. Be sure to vote online at www.makeupbattle.com. We'll announce the winner on next week's show at 9 p.m. Bye.
Bye.